Greetings to everyone. We are from Group 3 consisting of Subhash, Sumukh, Vinuta and myself Surya, guided by Dr. Rashmi ma'am. Our project title is Securing a Social IoT based e-healthcare system using blockchain. Now let us go to the demonstration of our project. Now I'll show you the demo of our app. This is our app's login page and we can log in here as a patient and the doctor. Let's create an account for a patient first. We'll have to enter the name, age, gender and the MetaMask wallet address of the patient here. Once it is done, we'll be entering the password. We'll be creating a password and we'll create an account for the patient. Once the account is created, we'll use the same wallet address to log in and the same password, and we log in as a patient. This will take us to the home screen of the patient. This is our home screen of the patient where we can see the appointments that is booked by the patients. For now there is no any appointment, so and also we can see the vitals. We can monitor the patient vitals, and we can also see the medication that is advised by the doctor. And also we have a report screen. In this screen we can see all the reports that has been uploaded by the doctor. The patient, in the patient view, we will not be able to upload any document. We can just see the documents which are uploaded by the doctor. Now let's create an account for a doctor. It is same as the patient. We'll enter the same name, age and gender and the MetaMask wallet address of the user, and we'll create a password. Additionally, we'll be checking a box that is I'm a doctor and create an account. Now when we log in with the same wallet address as a doctor, this is the home screen of the doctor where they'll have patients and appointments, and when we go to the patients we can just monitor the patient's vitals, and the doctor will get an alert if the patient's vitals goes down, and the doctor can upload the health records here. He can select any file and click on upload, so that will be reflecting both in his view and in the patient view also. If a doctor is in a different location, there is nearly no use to give him access to the application and view the vitals of the patients or get any alert. So we don't give any access to the doctor in case if he's in a different location. Now we have moved the doctor to a different location and we are trying to log in. Let's see what's happening. He gets an alert saying that the doctor is not in the location and he doesn't get any access. Now let me show you the hardware demo. We have Arduino Uno and ESP8266 has a microcontroller. We have two sensors. One is heartbeat pulse rate monitor and one is ECG sensor. And since we have two microcontrollers, because the ESP8266 doesn't have multiple analog pins and Arduino doesn't have a Wi-Fi module, so we decided to use two microcontrollers here. So the Arduino is sensing the pulse rate and it's sending this data to the ESP8266, and ESP8266 is also sensing the ECG sensor. We have connected this ESP8266 to Firebase through Wi-Fi, and this Firebase is actually sensing the real-time data of our sensor. In case if the data, if the sensor's data is going above the threshold or below the threshold, we are sending an alert to the doctor saying that the patient vitals are going up or below. So this is our application screen. You can see that our vitals are actually monitored live. So the heartbeat and this ECG is continuously monitored. The heartbeat is 102 correctly and ECG is 74 beats per second. And this is continuously monitored. In case if the ECG monitor is unplugged, it goes to 0 and immediately we'll get a notification saying that the patient vital has gone down and patient is critical. Yeah, it is going to 0 now, and we'll get an alert saying that the patient vitals are below the normal range.